How to fix Wi-Fi grayed out on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, tap on Reset below. And then, select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode over here. Then, tap on Reset Network Settings again to confirm. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Now, go back to the Settings page. Scroll down and go to Screen Time. Over here, scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then, turn off the Content and Privacy Restrictions feature at the top. Following these steps, you can easily fix Wi-Fi grayed out on iPhone.